Somebody text my car, please. Bitching about somebody. Hello, hi you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're on my channel, I'm Akanksha. So I am all ready to go to the airport. I'm going to Maldives. Navya is here. We're all 4 girls are going to Maldives. Pretty excited. We literally planned this trip in a week, and we're leaving today. I will give you like details vagara later on because right now we are getting late and I am ready and set to go. My luggage is here. I'm only taking like. I'm using a new camera, by the way, and it's a little tricky for me to like navigate this. You saw in the previous reel, but what to do? Okay, my luggage is set. That's my tataya. We had his anniversary, like death anniversary recently, so his photo is here. But yeah, my suitcase is done. I'm only taking like literally, what do you say, hand sling bag. It's a little complicated now. Where to use this? How to? And you just have to basically get used to it. We have a layover in Mumbai, and then we have a flight from the direct flight. I think we didn't find, and even if it is there, I feel like it would have been expensive. This one we literally got for like 25,000, even like just 1 week before. So it was a good deal for us, and it's like a 6-hour journey. So first flight to Mumbai, then Mumbai to Maldives. Let's go.
Will you meet me? I'll meet me. I'll meet me. I'll meet me. I'll meet me. I'll meet me.
It's a little tricky. Navya, little bit okka pani, something you can be useful for.
I'm being the object for your camera.
No need. Better do something other than that. So we are on the way to the airport. We are reaching in 10 minutes, but after that we have a very big task to do because basically my sister, she went to Canada, so she's landing today, and my parents are not here, so there's literally nobody to drop us or pick us up. So I'm driving my own car. I'll have to go park it somewhere, and then I'll have to hide the keys somewhere. I have to tell her where I'm hiding, and then she will take the same car and come back home. She's landing at 5:30 and I'm taking off at 6 o'clock. I don't know if we'll get to meet, but I'll again have to wait 1 more week. It's been a month that she went. I have to wait 1 more week to see her, but yeah, we have a big task. We're little late, I would say, but hopefully not too late. And we reach on time. And I asked Navya if she's stressed. She's like, no, I'm just used to being late.
This is the right time.
This is hopefully if there's no immigration here, then it is good. I'm thinking it will be here only because I don't think we have to pick our bags again in Mumbai. But let's see. We are 8 minutes away. Will we reach there by like...
Bro, literally 20 minutes Lushnam. We reached within 20 minutes.
Yeah, there's no traffic. No, it's 4 o'clock in the morning.
So it was showing us 35 minutes, no?
You can also flip the camera and talk to yourself now, yeah? No, you can just do this. It'll you gotta flip it la. Mana selfie camera ikkada undi judu ikkada kinda.
Oh, I like this camera already.
And it's so tiny and nice, no?
Yeah. This
Okay, do you also
so
want
much
light on your face?
Yes. But my pimple patches are reflecting, but it's okay.
We are so fucking excited to go to Maldives. All of us were. We booked like really nice stays and all, and then we fucking see yesterday that it is raining in Maldives out of nowhere. It is January.
But I'm pretty confident it's not going to rain.
Every day it is January. It is their peak season. It's supposed to be dry. It is basically winter for them, and now it's showing that it is raining. And this entire week there is rain. Not even 1 day or 2 days. Entire week. But really hoping it is not there.
No, it won't. I'm telling you, no.
What will we do if it's there?
I am not coming out of the beach.
I can't believe I am being pessimistic and you're being optimistic. Oh my god, roles have reversed.
See,
I also don't think that will rain. But
it won't, bro. Because ninna kuda atlane chupichindi kada. It was.
How do you know it rained or not there? Tell.
That's my sixth sense. You have to believe it.
7th, 8th, all will come out now.
No, it won't rain. See, I'll come back and talk to the camera again.
Saying that
it didn't rain.
also wanted to be true. ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను.
ఇందాక పెట్టింది దగ్గర పెట్టు, జల్దీ పెట్టు, ఆయన వస్తాడు మళ్ళీ.
I hope my car is safe. Nobody takes my car, please.
ఇట్స్ ఓకే, నథింగ్ విల్.
Chalo, we should go. We will miss our flight.
No bad words. What is this?
ఈ జోన్ ఫోటో తీసుకున్నామా ఒకసారి చిన్నికి వీడియో అంటే
Before. Parking lane before this is.
ఫోటో తీసుకున్నాం. Do I look like a homeless person with my hair?
No, I look like.
Yes, at least looks like curls. This looks like grass. Some old aunties are sitting here and gossiping all the time, every day and night, morning and every night, talking, bitching about somebody. We are on time, babes. మీరు ముందు వచ్చి ఏం చేసి చెప్పు నాకు.
We plan
We are
what
one
to play.
Premium economy passengers kindly use the priority queue for boarding.
Finally moved in. I'm still trying to do keto, so I'm literally eating butter. And I took a non-veg meal and I ate all the chicken part, at least for protein, because I'm so damn hungry. Navya is eating everything.
It's too tasty. I like it. I mean, it's actually nice.
Your standards are low, Navya. That is Rajma, Dal Makhani.
और ऊपर बने सामान कक्ष न खोलें। सामान कक्ष खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें। कृपया अपने सामने बैठे अतिथियों को पहले उतरने दें। जिन अतिथियों ने
Oh wow, it's moving. Right with me moving. So fun. No? Should have put that since yesterday. So fun. Wow. Ready? Your face won't get deducted, sorry.
Why?
Because it's my camera.
Oh.
This is my Maldives vlog. Today. So we just came to our stay. We checked in and now we are going out. We just literally got freshened up. We didn't do anything. We thought we'll get dressed up and do stuff, but all of us are so tired because we did not sleep the entire night. This is the stay for the first day. We are staying here because half our day is almost done, and didn't make sense for us to go to like any private island right now. So we are staying here for today, and then tomorrow we are going to go to the island. That resort we booked is very, very, very cute. So for now I'm so damn hungry. I'm trying to still maintain my keto even during the trip. So hopefully, why is it this? Figuring it out. This video should be figuring out how to use my camera more than Maldives vlog. But yeah, we're on the way to find something to eat. Our stay is like pretty close to the beach. It's in Hulu Male, the place where basically the airport is. It's like 10 minutes from that we booked the stay. And tomorrow morning we'll go to our private island. Hello. So let's go. So that is our stay, and right here is the beach. Really nice. In search of an ATM which is nowhere to be found. Okay, all ready to check out, and we are going to our island resort today. It started raining in the morning. I really hope it doesn't rain once we go there, because we want to, like, you know, just be in the ocean and have fun for the night, because it's so damn cold in Hyderabad. Also lately we came to Maldives only because we want some sun, we can enjoy the beach, and it started raining. It's quite humid also, I think, because it rained, and of course, like, there's a beach around. But I just got ready. We're going to check out. We want to see what time is our ferry वगैरह. They are supposed to pick us up. We booked this place called Adaran Ranhali. I'll give the details later, but we don't know when they're going to come and pick us, and we are too, like, I feel restless to just be in this place. So we're just checking out and going there and see how to go to that place. We've come to the airport to meet. So all of the resorts have like counters and kiosks here. So you can just go to them, and then they will arrange like a boat for you to go to the islands, is what the hotel people said where we were living. So we came here. Directly, if we went from the airport, we would have had a pickup here only. But because we went to another stay, we had to come back to the airport. It was like $10 for us for the cab to go, and then while coming also $10. So this is like Rio, and then there are different Barcelo, all these different island resorts. We are searching for us. This is ours. Hi girls. So many people in the white just to pick people up. Never seen an airport this much for like a hotel pickup. So we have 45 minutes for our boat to be ready. Basically, it's a private thing that they take. You don't have to wait for the ferry or anything. But there are few more, customers or people to come in for them. So they'll come in like 45 minutes. So we're just going to grab some food because we have not had breakfast or anything. My friends are missing. I always do this where I start walking ahead. I walk super fast. I'm a little tall. I feel like that's why I walk quite fast, and then I keep losing them. There's somewhere there. That's nowhere. Pad, please. Pedta auto detect. Ippudu jay. It is moving.
It's a game now.
Yeah. Catch and kill. Chicken wings. See, if you humiliate my chicken wings, that will what will happen. Quite shaky.
45 minutes.
Oh, nice.
So if you want any assist, please let the captain know.
As is
Seated while
45
driving,
minutes.
keep jackets on and keep it buckled until you reach the hotel.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Enjoy Street Alaran. Bye bye.
Only 146, 246.
If you're on the door, it says something.
Maybe these are different, yeah. One is like the building number and the other one is the...
Your luggage is in your bag.
Oh, it's here. I think we have beach villa, not the water villa. 244. Please open. Open, bro. You only have keys. We booked like for 4 days this resort called Ranhali. It is around 4 lakhs 20,000 or 15,000 for all 4 of us. So it's like 1 lakh per person. 3 days it's a beach villa like this. Basically this is a villa and that's the beach. And 1 day is the water villa, which we see in all Maldives, where it's like literally in between water. So first today I thought is the water villa, but today I think the first 3 days are beach and then the last day is water villa. Either way, I think I was just prepared for water villa, which can happen, but the beach is quite nice. I think we'll just quickly change and go to the beach and chill for a bit because craving for some like beach, water, salt, everything. It's not sunny, it is very gloomy though, because there's a lot of weather forecast. Welcome to Ranhali. Yes. Quickly changed and we are going to the beach. My beach bag, cover up inside is a bikini. So yeah, in the it looks very pretty. Time to go into the water. Wow, hi, my camera is so close. Waterproof camera.
నేను పోతున్నా అందుకే భయం వేస్తుంది.
चल चलता है. Curls after a beach. కెమెరాలో సినిమాటిక్ గా అయితే క్రేజీ వస్తున్నాయి.
యా వెరీ క్యూట్.
Hello, it is day 2 of our stay in the island. Just got ready. Today is pictures day. Yesterday and day before I feel like the vacation didn't start. Today is the day the vacation is starting. So we got a little ready because I want to take a few pictures or shoot some type of content. And then again go for snorkeling. We got snorkeling equipment and not everything, or like snorkeling, jet ski, I'm not sure, but like a lot of other things are like included in the stay package already. Even food, breakfast, lunch and dinner, all of it is included in the price we pay for the room, because there's no way to go to like buy food here. It's like one island and everything is available here. Even alcohol is included, like no matter how much you drink, it's still included in the room, right? So you don't have to pay anything extra. The only thing we paid extra till now is for scuba, which we're going to do tomorrow. Rest everything is already prepaid for. The stay, I think we are very 50-50 about. All of us are a little like unhappy about the stay because we paid like 4.2 lakhs like for 4 of us. It's like 1.1 lakh. I thought it's like a very good budget, but apparently it's like a little affordable trip that we are coming in. But I think even then the stay I feel like could have been better. I mean, Maldives, you have like very big expectation, right? So the beach villa we have, I feel like is not up to the mark. I don't know how the water villa is, but paying 1 lakh for this, I feel like is a little disappointing for all of us because I think we just expected more. I mean, the place is nice, the water is nice and all, but it could be more fancier. I feel hospitality could be better. Maybe room could also be a little better, but yeah, so far food is a little average, not so great. I am doing keto, so whatever I am eating is still like average. Even Indian food is my friends have ate is also pretty average, but as long as there's beach, I'm happy. But I feel like for 1 lakh we could have gotten much better. But they also say like Maldives is way too expensive, and other things which we've seen, we booked it so last minute, so most of them were like completely occupied and the rest were like too expensive, and it's also raining. out of nowhere. It's January. We expected it to be like amazing weather. We'll like chill and all. Yes, last night it rained. Yesterday morning it rained. Right now also, even it drizzled in between yesterday evening. Right now also it shows like it'll rain. Morning there was like they put like a hazard thing because the waves. It was like too high tide. So a little, I feel like our expectations were a bit high and the stay is not up to the mark. But now that we are here, we are just like, you know, chilling and doing. This is my outfit. I'm all ready and let's go. All the snorkeling equipment. Yesterday we were just in the water and just chilled. We didn't take like any equipment or anything. And last night also, like it started raining, so we just had dinner. We were just chilling in the room. We slept so late. We woke up, had breakfast. We came, but it's a vibe a little bit. It's still drizzling already. I can feel it already. I don't want it. It's drizzling, bro, already. So annoying.
But still, I think the people are still sparkling.
Yeah, we can. I hope it just doesn't increase more.